Hey everyone, Rosa Rago here, self-love expert and body intuitive. Thank you so much for watching my channel where I take you on a journey of self-love towards self-discovery and life purpose. So if you're watching this video, you've come to the point where you realize that you are here for a greater purpose and you don't quite know who you are, or you're in the process of discovering who you are, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So if this resonates with you, make sure to click the button and subscribe to my channel so that you can get my weekly videos. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and join me on this journey to rise. Can we care too much? No, we can't. But we can care about the wrong things. You see, when we really care about something, we love that thing so much. So caring is loving, and when love is authentic, it's infinite. So you can't have too much of something that's infinite. That just doesn't make any sense. So what we really want to be asking ourselves is, what do we care about? Do we care about looking good? Do we care about being right? Do we care about what other people think? And if that's the case, then we care too much. So really, when we're caring about these things, we're actually functioning from a level of fear, and it's actually fear disguised as love. So it's like not really a care that's coming from love. And in which case, we're caring too much about what people think, we're caring too much about looking good, we're caring too much about, not being wrong or being right, and we're just caring too much about the stuff that doesn't really matter in life, and we're caring too much about the things that have nothing to do with living our dream. But we can never care too much about the things that actually matter in life. For example, we can't care too much about the fact that we only have a limited time here. And we only have a limited time here on Earth, and for some of us, it may just be a matter of seconds or minutes or months or maybe just a few years. And the crazy thing is, we have no clue how long we're gonna be here. So it's important that we care a lot about making the most out of our lives. When we really start to care about how we spend our time here on Earth while we're here, we'll notice ourselves actually starting to focus on the things that really build our dream. So the real question is, what is your dream? Is your dream really to look good? Is your dream really to be right? Is your dream really to be liked by every single person in this world? Really? Is that what we live for? Because if that's the case, we care way too much. And the problem when we care a lot about something is that that care is so intense, that emotion, it actually causes us to act. So if we care too much about the things that don't matter, we're gonna end up building our life from this place of fear. So if you find yourself caring too much and you wanna really start caring from the right place, then I invite you to consider these 5 steps that will help you to focus on caring so much about the things that's going to build your dreams and build your future in the way that you want it to look. So the first thing is that we really need to focus on the thing that's the most important, which is actually our own happiness and our own joy. And I know this sounds selfish, but it's actually selfless, because in a world where there's so many things that are going on that we're not in control of, the one thing that we are in control of is how we respond and our attitude towards our circumstances. That's only gonna make our life a little bit easier, not just for ourselves, but for everyone around us. So it's actually a win-win-win situation. The second step is to take yourself to the end of your life and imagine yourself on your deathbed and ask yourself, what would you like to experience before the end of your life? The third step is to identify who you need to be and what core values you need to align with in order to create this and in order for this to happen. You see, we can't actually dream of financial freedom and desire financial freedom and then have poor spending habits. We can't desire or dream of true love and not be open to being vulnerable. We can't desire to be healthy and continue to have a lifestyle that's not very active. So we really have to think about who we need to be and what core values we need to align ourselves with so that we can actually start to align with the vision, with the person who's actually going to create this vision. The fourth step is about doing the work. You see, just because we're able to identify who we need to be and what our core values are, it doesn't mean that it's actually going to happen. Because at this moment, what's actually going to happen is we're going to be exposed to all of our inauthenticities and the parts of ourselves that are not aligned with what it is that we desire. And it's going to have us go through a process of humility, and we need to be willing to look at what's not working and actually make the change. It's in this step where it will really be revealed to us what we really care about. And so if we really care about how we look, or we really care about being liked, or we really care about being right, then we'll find ourselves really struggling to do what it is that we need to do to attain the vision and build our dream. This is why you need to consider the fifth step, which is to get present every single day to what it would cost you if you didn't focus on what really mattered, and if you didn't focus on the things that's really going to contribute to building your vision. So every single day, take 5 minutes to be still and get present to this cost so that you can ensure that each day you're really being intentional on focusing on what it is that you need to focus on that really matters. And this is where you're really going to be shown what you really care about, your dreams or how you look for other people and what other people think. And I hope you choose your dreams. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting some juicy content every week. All relevant links for this video will be posted below in the comments, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I look forward to this journey to rise with you, and until next time, bye guys.